Hey guys, so I wanted to come on here and make a quick little video to invite you guys to my BMW event that's coming up. Over the weekend, I learned that not everybody follows me on Instagram, but they do happen to watch the videos. So April the 14th, I'm hosting an event in Lexington at Bull City Cider Works. This is going to be from 11 to 4 p.m. Most people are probably going to be gone by 3. I have a feeling that there's not going to be a lot of people left after 3, so do not come late. Try not to come late because I'm going to feel bad if you show up at 3:30 and almost everybody's gone. So I feel like personally it's going to be bigger than it was last year. So as long as the weather holds up, rain or shine, we're going to be out there. There's going to be 2 food trucks out there that are going to be offering food for you guys. There's also going to be a DJ that's going to be set up by the venue, and we are blocking one of the streets so you guys can park there. Just come out, enjoy yourself, be responsible, be respectful of everybody. Just come out, have fun, talk BMWs. Even non BMWs are going to be out there, so I'll have a little area for those as well. But I'll see you guys in 2 weeks. Peace out.